Yo, if you're getting this annoying message saying something went wrong, if this issue persists while using ChatGPT, then listen up because this is exactly what's happening. So basically, you try to type something and send it, boom, error. You try to upload a screenshot, same thing, error again. Then you hit retry and it just keeps stacking more red errors on your screen. And when you refresh the page, it gets even worse. Now it says unable to load site and tells you to turn off your VPN. Now, here's the part most people don't realize. A lot of you actually have a VPN running in the background without even thinking about it. Maybe you installed it earlier, maybe it's part of your browser, but yeah, that's what's causing this whole issue. Now, yes, if you turn off your VPN completely, everything will work fine again, no errors, no problems. But what if you actually want to use a VPN? Like me, I use a VPN all the time. So turning it off is not really an option. So here's the real fix. I'm using Windscribe VPN and the problem happens because it's set to best location automatically. That setting sounds good, but it actually messes things up sometimes. So what you need to do is manually change your location instead of using best location. For example, I switched mine to Netherlands, connected again, and just like that, everything started working. Now I can send messages, upload screenshots, and there are no more errors at all, even with the VPN turned on. So yeah, if ChatGPT keeps showing you that something went wrong error, don't panic, just go into your VPN, change the location manually, and you should be good to go. And if this helped you, drop a comment saying fix so others know it works.